Hey guys, today I'm at Kawasaki Chandigarh and trust me, this place is pure heaven for bike lovers. Right from the entry, I was blown away. The lineup here is insane. You've got the legendary Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R, the stylish Ninja 300 and Ninja 650, plus the mighty Versus series for those who love long tours. And for the off-road enthusiast, the KLX 230 is here to take on any terrain with ease. The best part? They also stock top riding gear and premium brands to upgrade your biking experience. Honestly, being here feels like stepping into a biker's dream. So if you're in Chandigarh or anywhere nearby, Kawasaki Chandigarh is a must visit.